You've probably been told 100 times, just go for a walk every day. And sure, walking is good, but what if I told you there's a simple move that does way more for your legs, heart, and brain? And you can do it right at home, without even stepping outside. It's called marching, and trust me, once you start doing it, you'll feel stronger, steadier, and more alive than ever before. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it safely, step by step. But here's the catch. If you skip this video or do it wrong, you might miss the benefits or even strain your joints. So watch till the end, because this one move could truly change the way you age. Now, here's why marching is secretly one of the most powerful exercises for seniors. Walking keeps you moving, yes, but marching? It targets your hips, thighs, balance, and coordination all at once. It's gentle on your knees, boosts circulation, and strengthens your core. Something walking alone can't always do, in fact. Studies in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity show that seniors who did simple, high-knee marching 3 times a week improved balance, leg strength, and mobility in just 2 months. And another study from Geriatric Physical Therapy Journal found that marching activates more muscles in the hips and thighs than regular walking, helping prevent falls and improve posture. Even NASA uses similar marching drills to help astronauts rebuild leg strength after returning from space. That's how effective it is. Let me share a real-life story. Linda, a 68-year-old grandmother from Texas, loved walking every morning, but after a minor knee injury, every step started to hurt. Her doctor suggested rest, but doing nothing made her feel weaker. Then a friend told her about marching in place. At first she laughed. "You mean marching like a soldier?" But she gave it a try. She started small, 30 seconds a day, lifting her knees gently while holding on to the back of a chair. Within 2 weeks, her legs felt lighter. After a month, she could walk upstairs again without pain. Now she does 5 minutes of marching while watching her favorite TV show every evening, and she says, "It gave me back my confidence and energy." So, if you've ever felt tired after walking or unsteady on your feet, this is for you. Let's learn the marching exercise step by step so you can start safely today. Step 1. Find your space. Stand behind a sturdy chair or near a wall for balance. Make sure you have room to move freely. Step 2. Perfect your posture. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed, eyes forward. Lightly tighten your core, like you're zipping up your stomach. Step 3. Start slowly. Lift your right knee toward your waist, or as high as feels comfortable, then lower it. Now lift your left knee. That's one march. Step 4. Find your rhythm. Move at a slow, steady pace. Inhale as one knee rises. Exhale as it lowers. You can move your arms naturally or hold the chair for support. Step 5. Build your endurance. If you're a beginner, start with 30 seconds, rest, then repeat twice. Intermediate. Try 1 minute x 3 sets with 30-second breaks. Advanced. March continuously for 5 minutes, rest, and repeat up to 3 times daily. You can even do it while watching TV, listening to music, or waiting for the kettle to boil. Bonus. Seated marching. If standing is tough, sit upright in a sturdy chair and lift your knees one at a time. This still strengthens your hips, thighs, and core. Perfect if you have balance issues. Start with 5 minutes daily and gradually build up to 15-20 minutes total per day. For best results, aim for 5 days a week. Increase the challenge over time by lifting your knees higher, adding arm swings, or marching to a steady beat. Remember, form first, speed later. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It helps more seniors discover life-changing exercises like this one. Share it with a friend or parent who wants to stay active and independent. And don't forget to subscribe to US Health and Fitness for more simple, safe, and powerful exercises for seniors. Because your best years aren't behind you, they're just beginning, one march at a time. Let's keep moving together.